Want to know how to install Raid Shadow Legends on your Android? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, what you need to do is you need to just open up your Play Store if you're on Android, and here you should be seeing the search bar right here, just simply like that. And now once you start with the search bar, here you should be seeing another search bar, and just simply type in Raid Shadow Legends. So right here you should be seeing Raid Shadow Legends popping up right here. You can either directly select install or select the app itself and scroll down, and you should be seeing its reviews, its about info, what this game is about, and much more. So once you've done all of that, here you can just simply select install right here, and your game should start installing. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these similar rare videos. See you in the next one.